AI coding assistants have come a long way since their early days. In 2021, OpenAI's Codex marked a major breakthrough. By 2024, multimodal models could understand both code and natural language. This evolution has led to powerful, context-aware models in 2026. These advancements mean over 70% of developers now rely on them. Early AI tools offered basic syntax suggestions only. Today, they can generate entire code blocks and debug. The shift to multimodal models improved comprehension. Developers now experience increased productivity and efficiency. AI assistants can even suggest optimizations for existing code. The transition from syntax to context-aware models was crucial. This evolution has redefined how developers approach coding tasks. AI assistants are now integral to modern software development. They enable more efficient and accurate coding processes. The future holds even more potential for AI-driven development. To rank AI coding assistants, we first consider their features and capabilities. Multi-language support enhances flexibility and broadens the user base significantly. Integration with Popular IDEs is crucial for seamless development workflows. Next, usability focuses on ease of setup and the user interface. A user-friendly interface can dramatically reduce onboarding time for new users. Impact on coding efficiency is a key metric, often measured by debugging time reduction. Efficient assistants can improve code quality by catching errors early. Some assistants offer predictive coding, which aids developers in writing better code. Let's compare two assistants on their setup and integration capabilities. The choice of an assistant often depends on specific developer needs. Usability and impact are closely linked, influencing overall developer productivity. Ultimately, the right assistant can significantly enhance coding efficiency and quality. Let's explore the top-tier AI coding assistants of 2026, like GitHub Copilot X. GitHub Copilot X offers unparalleled real-time collaboration features for developers. This assistant supports a wide range of programming languages, enhancing flexibility. Its predictive debugging capabilities are a game-changer for efficiency. Voice command functionality in Copilot X streamlines coding tasks even further. Google's Cody Pro also stands out with its automatic test case generation. This feature saves significant time and reduces manual workload for developers. Both assistants support seamless integration into Popular IDEs, enhancing productivity. Real-time collaboration and language support set these tools apart. Predictive debugging in Copilot X is a standout feature for developers. Cody Pro's test case generation helps ensure code quality and reliability. Both assistants significantly enhance developer efficiency and coding quality. Choosing between them depends on specific needs and project requirements. In the mid-tier category, options like Kite Pro and Tabnine 2026 are prominent choices. Kite Pro is known for its lightweight design, making it easy to integrate. This design choice allows it to run smoothly on most development environments. Tabnine 2026 excels with its efficient code completion algorithms. These algorithms help reduce coding time and increase productivity. However, both tools lack advanced natural language processing capabilities. This limitation affects their ability to understand complex programming queries. Despite this, both tools are valued for their reliability in everyday tasks. They integrate well with Popular IDEs, offering robust support. Their integration capabilities are a key selling point for developers. These tools are particularly useful for small to medium-sized projects. For developers seeking reliable coding assistance without breaking the bank, they are a solid choice. In summary, while they lack some top-tier features, their strengths make them valuable. Entry-level AI coding assistants are perfect for beginners with small projects in 2026. These assistants, like IntelliCode Basic, offer essential features at a low cost. Replit AI is another option, providing a free platform with basic tools. These tools are ideal for beginners, but have limitations in language support. Both platforms support fewer programming languages than advanced counterparts. Their machine learning models are less sophisticated, affecting performance. Even with these limits, they remain valuable for small-scale projects. Their ease of use is a significant advantage for new developers. These tools help users learn and grow without a steep financial commitment. However, they might not scale well for larger, more complex projects. This scalability issue is due to their simpler machine learning models. Despite these challenges, they are an excellent starting point for coding. In summary, entry-level assistants offer affordable access to coding tools. Their limitations make them less suitable for advanced developers. For those just starting, they provide a valuable, cost-effective solution. AI assistants are now deeply integrated with popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code offers real-time error detection with GitHub Copilot X. This immediate feedback significantly boosts developer productivity and code quality. JetBrains IDEs offer seamless AI integration with their powerful IntelliJ platform. Developers using IntelliJ benefit from context-aware code suggestions. Eclipse integrates AI to provide advanced refactoring tools for developers. These tools help streamline complex code bases, making them easier to manage. However, not all integrations are flawless. Some IDEs face compatibility issues. Developers must choose the right IDE based on their specific needs. Real-time collaboration features in VS Code further enhance teamwork. This encourages more efficient and synchronized development cycles. Choosing the right AI integration can drastically affect development efficiency. In summary, AI integration with IDEs is transforming how developers work. AI coding assistants have significantly impacted developer productivity in recent years. Studies show these tools can reduce coding time by up to 40%. This reduction means faster delivery of software projects and more efficient workflows. AI assistants also decrease debugging efforts by around 30%. This results in fewer bugs and smoother software releases. Refactoring code becomes more efficient with AI tools assisting in the process. This efficiency allows developers to focus on more creative tasks. AI tools integrate seamlessly into project management workflows. This integration leads to improved collaboration and tracking of project milestones. Turnaround times for software projects have decreased significantly. AI-driven project management tools streamline task allocation and prioritization. These advancements contribute to a more agile and responsive development environment. Developers now have more time for innovation and exploring new ideas. Overall, AI coding assistants have transformed the software development landscape. Their impact on productivity is undeniable and continues to grow. Privacy and security are crucial when using AI coding assistants in 2026. AI coding tools handle vast amounts of sensitive data during development. Providers implement end-to-end encryption to protect this sensitive information. Local data processing features enhance privacy by keeping data on your device. KitePro is one tool that offers robust local processing capabilities. Intellectual property issues arise when sensitive code is shared with AI models. Developers worry about AI models retaining snippets of proprietary code. Leading providers are addressing these concerns with strict data policies. Encryption ensures that data is unreadable to unauthorized parties. Despite these measures, users must remain vigilant about their own practices. Regular software updates are essential to maintain security standards. AI coding assistants are evolving to meet privacy and security challenges. This continuous improvement ensures a safer environment for developers. As AI continues to evolve, fully autonomous coding assistants are on the horizon. These advanced tools could write, test, and debug code with minimal human intervention. Increased personalization will tailor coding environments to individual developer needs. Developers might soon rely on AI-driven project management to streamline workflows. These trends are likely to reshape the developer landscape significantly. AI tools could handle routine tasks, allowing developers to focus on creativity. This shift may lead to a new emphasis on coding education and upskilling. AI-driven learning platforms will personalize the educational journey for each developer. Real-time feedback on coding practices will enhance learning and efficiency. With AI assistance, developers can expect a productivity boost of up to 40%. As AI continues to advance, ethical considerations will become increasingly important. Balancing innovation with ethical use will be crucial for future developments. Looking ahead, embracing these changes can lead to a more efficient coding future. For most developers in 2026, GitHub Copilot X offers the best balance of features. Start with Copilot X if you work in a multi-language environment for maximum efficiency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.